Oh.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Our basement!
Nope.
Homewrecker!
Proceed with caution.
What the hell's that fork? Why does your office look like our basement?
You've been under surveillance all along. Your house is just one of Baby Joey's inventions. Shouldn't have said that.
Who's Baby Joey?
Who's Baby Joey?
Who's Baby Joey?
Who's Baby Joey?
Too bad you'll never live to find out. We're miles below the Earth's surface. No one can help you here.
Then we won't have to bury you very deep.
Skank! Magic Lucy, I always liked you!
See you, boys. Oh yeah. Rusty poopy butt stain. Chaz.
Mike, I can move just a little.
I can move just fine.
Then why aren't you moving?
'Cause I'm not frozen.
Grab his fork and unfreeze me.
Whose?
Magic Lucy.
I thought it was a she.
Whatever, just help me.
I can't, I'm frozen. Stop it! Give me that!
Yeah!
Yeah! This is my favorite part! No! Look what I got!
Who's Baby Joey?
Yeah, who is Baby Joey?
You'll never know.
Come here, little guy. Come on, we're gonna get you. We're gonna get you.
Put it in here!
Mark, your techno suit.
It was supposed to happen.
What are we gonna do now?
I don't know! Baby Joey, I don't know! There's earthquakes everywhere! We gotta get out of here! I don't know!
We should get out of Baby Joey's underground lair.
Let's use elevator! Oh shit! Mike, someone took the knob off the elevator. We can't use it.
We're gonna have to use the stairs. That's 10,000 steps. 100 steps!
No!
Wow! Wow, a lot of steps! Oh, lots of steps. Mike! Mark! Come on.
What? No. 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 No.
You're back!
No time for this!
No time. Mark! Put it on.
No. We've been running up the same steps.
You're right!
This is all our fault. Mike. These steps are going in circles. We're not getting anywhere.
We gotta get out of here! We're being the circle!